Hello, I'm Nagavani from Cricut. Today let's make something magical. I'm using the Cricut Maker 3 to make 3D blooming flowers. You can use Cricut of your choice. I'm using Cricut Maker 3 and cardstock. I'm using pink and purple. You can select the cardstock of your choice. I'm using standard grip mat, some tools and glue of your choice and design space. Open Cricut Design Space and click on the Inspire icon on the left hand side. In search bar, type 3D flowers. You will see plenty of beautiful templates to choose from. Select the flower design you like and click Make It. In case you want to personalize your flower design, here's how. Go to New Project in the Images section, search for flowers and choose a single layer flower. Add it to your canvas. Duplicate the layer and resize the petals to create the depth. Then go to the Images again and search for Flower Center. Add one to your canvas. Arrange the layers until you're happy with the look, then click Make It. Choose On Mat since we are using cardstock. Connect your Cricut machine to your laptop via Bluetooth or USB. When prompted, select your material base, choose Heavy Cardstock. Now let's place the cardstock on the standard grip mat. Let's open the Cricut Maker 3. Let's on the Cricut machine and let the magic begin. Hope the process is easy and you enjoyed making the blooming 3D flowers. These flowers are perfect for birthdays, weddings, baby shower, party decor and to brighten up dull spaces of your house.